here today with the Philips Sonicare 9900 Diamond Clean Prestige, and today I want to unbox this thing because it says so many on the site. It has an AI app. I don't know if you need AI when brushing your teeth, but I've tested quite a few of these now, from Oral-B, for example, the Oral-B app, and it is nice to have an app, although they, I think, don't claim to have AI in there. But let's see what this is like. So this is like a premium box. I already unboxed it wrong, I think. Do I need to open this on the side? Why can't I just open this? Okay, so it's already weird here. Oh, it's like a pull tab, I think. Let's remove that. And then probably just push it out. Yeah, so didn't even need to open this here at the top. But okay, let's go with the unboxing. It looks really premium here, really aesthetically pleasing. A nice box, one of the coolest ones that I've unboxed. You have all these settings right there, and of course have the Philips on the Google Play Store, the app that you need to download. Now let's first see what's in the box here. I have a case. And this is supposed to be a charging case, and it looks really premium. I mean, look at that. That's just a very cool leather, faux leather-like case. You have a space for your brush there, and you can charge it right there with the charging port. So that really looks premium. That looks cool. I have to say, this is one of the coolest cases I've ever seen, especially for like your toothbrush. So that's really, really cool. So you can charge it right in the case there and have that on the go. Then here is the toothbrush, very, very minimalistic indication here for the LED lights, for the for power, and then just a clean bottom, no hole there whatsoever for charging. And then here is the brush head that you can put on there. Let's open that one up, and it just fits right on top of there. So that's cool. And let's see what else we have here. Below here we have a nicely brushed steel charging pod, also very premium, and you can just put that on there, and then it charges, like your phone. Magnet-free charging. And, oh, you have your base here, you can put it on. So you can put that in the middle there. But this just looks so cool. And then when you put it on this cap, then, well, it just takes away a little bit of the brushed metal there, I think, but also very cool. And then a charger is in there as well, so you can connect that. So that's pretty cool. Oh, and then an extra USB cable for the charging case. So again, very nice to see that you have such a cool case in there. Never seen anything like that. Also, it just fits in snugly, and then you can charge that with the charging case. And do you have room for one brush? Seems so. How do you put it in? Perhaps like so. You have room for one brush, and then your device. So pretty nice. Let's see if this turns on immediately right out of the box. So yeah, that's a weird sound. You turn it on and off, and it supposedly has 5 brushing modes and 3 intensity levels that you can set. That's perhaps where the AI comes in. You can set that in the app, and it should have over brushing protection, Oh yeah, you can see the light on the bottom there. Can you see that? Yeah, a little bit. So when you overbrush, you can see that indication. It's not that bright, so it's not really easy to see that indication, but it's enough to be able to use that. And then let's see how easy the app is to install. So let's go to the Philips app. And let's see how quickly we can do this. Play Store, search Philips Sonicare. Philips Sonicare, there it is. And let's install that. And then that supposedly gives you AI options to like personalize your brushing with those different intensity levels. Oh, that's already installed. Seemed to fit that well, that part. Okay, that's installed. Allow notifications. Get started to brush better. Okay. Connected to, so let's set you up. Okay, let's connect this. Allow to find Bluetooth devices, of course, and turn on the Bluetooth. And let's already have a pairing request. And success. My device already is connected, so it's really quickly. In like 20 seconds, we have the toothbrush unboxed and already connected here to the app. Okay, so you can see a dental diary there, which is pretty nice. And then you can sync to log brushing, which is pretty cool. Tongue cleaning you can do, and mouth rinse. Oh yeah, so you can set flossing, tongue cleaning and mouth rinse manually, because it doesn't really know how to do that, of course. And then we can start connecting here. So start brushing, let's do that. Take off your device off the charger, make sure the lights are on. I thought we already connected the toothbrush, but it's still searching right now for the toothbrush. Okay, so connecting is not the best here. I've had better results with the Oral-B app, for sure. It says turn my Bluetooth on and off again. When you're ready, turn on your toothbrush and start brushing. Okay, so let's do that. Let's see how that registers it. Okay, so now it's brushing in progress. Let's turn that off. Let's see if we get some stats. Here I did 25 seconds. The duration. Try longer sessions. So that's what it says. Some more tips. Coverage. You can see where you missed. So it's also pretty nice. Then scrubbing. Well done. Avoid using too much motion. So that's a tip. And then pressure, oh yeah. You didn't press too hard. So you don't need to use too much motion. Okay, so now we have our diary here with a diary entry there for this Thursday. And so you can see your stats here for like the previous days that you did this, which is pretty cool. So all in all, a very cool toothbrush. Well, I don't know why it didn't connect. Turning off my Bluetooth and then on again worked like the app suggested, so that's pretty cool. But having like the suggestion in the app I mean, that indicates that connecting is an issue more often, right? I didn't have like this problem with the Oral-B brushes that I tested, but this thing looks really premium. It's very cool. It looks premium. You get the amazingly premium charging case with it, so that's cool. But of course, you pay for all this dearly because it isn't the cheapest. But it's very minimal, very cool looking, and I hope this video has helped you make your choice.